Making money with dropshipping involves selling products online without holding inventory. Here's how beginners can get started. Choose a niche. Select a specific product category that has demand but isn't overly saturated. Focus on a niche to target a specific audience and increase your chances of success. Find reliable suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or S-Pocket to find suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Ensure suppliers have good ratings, fast shipping, and quality products to maintain customer satisfaction. Create an online store. Set up an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Design a professional website. Add product descriptions and set competitive pricing. Market your products. Use social media ads and Google Ads to drive traffic to your store. Engage with your audience through email marketing, content marketing, and influencer partnerships. Manage orders and customer service. Once a customer places an order, forward the details to the supplier who ships directly to the customer. Provide great customer service to ensure positive reviews and repeat business.